Baking soda is a gardener's best friend. Here are 10 nifty uses in the garden. 1. Natural fungicide. Mix baking soda with water and liquid soap to spray on plants and combat fungal diseases like powdery mildew. 2. Weed killer. Directly apply baking soda on garden weeds to kill them without harming surrounding plants. 3. Pest deterrent. A mixture of baking soda and flour can deter pests like cabbage worms and aphids when dusted on plants. 4. Soil amendment. Baking soda can be used to neutralize overly acidic soil, improving the environment for plant growth. 5. Tomato sweetener. Sprinkle baking soda around tomato plants to decrease soil acidity, resulting in sweeter tomatoes. 6. Compost enhancer. Speed up the composting process by making the environment more alkaline with baking soda. 7. Odor absorber. Neutralize odors in areas like compost bins by sprinkling baking soda. 8. Tool cleaner. Clean gardening tools by scrubbing them with a baking soda paste to remove dirt and rust. 9. Seed germination. Enhance seed germination by soaking seeds in a baking soda solution before planting. 10. Ant repellent. Deter ants by creating barriers with baking soda around plants or ant trails.